Hello, lovelies. Today is Thursday's outfit of the day, and I'm wearing my Burda 6/2023 number 103 dress made in a linen viscose fabric. So it's very comfortable to wear because the linen viscose has got some lovely give to it and it is lightweight. Being Britain, it is a little bit nippy outside, not cold enough to require a full-on cardigan, but just a little bit cooler in the shades for me to require something to prevent myself from getting goose flesh. So I had to wear something just a little bit smarter than my usual because I had to go to a prize giving event, and I liked to accessorize it with my tan crossbody bag. So I have this particular bag in 3 colors. It's 100% leather. I love it because it doesn't have an obvious logo, and I decided to wear my nude sandals with it as well as my tan watch. It's a very simple outfit, but it did very well for the purpose, which was that I had this prize giving ceremony to go to my son's school, and I was able to change out of the shoes and put on my regular sliders and carry on with the housework. The pattern is really great. It comes together very quickly, very easily, and I really enjoyed making it.